Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gideon Ejekwe. I write for GideonUK.com. Today we are going to learn how to increase your Google AdSense earnings. That's what every blogger wants. Do you want to increase your Google AdSense earnings? In this guide I'm sharing some of the best tips on how to increase your AdSense earnings. Every blogger already knows that AdSense is one of the best methods to make money from blogs and videos. Many bloggers are making thousands of dollars every month with Google AdSense. If you also want to increase yours, this is 100% safe, and let's get it started immediately. There are basically three factors in Google AdSense revenue. We have 1, traffic; 2, CPC, which is cost per click; and 3, click-through traffic. Click-through rate, which is the CTR. We take it one after the other. The total essence is to increase your high click conversion in Google AdSense and then get more money for your pocket. That is what we all want. Okay, how to increase Google AdSense earnings via traffic. Traffic is the main ingredient in the success of a site or blog. More traffic means your revenue will also increase. Simply put, more traffic equal to more revenue. Very important, you require minimum 70% traffic from search engines to increase your revenue. Organic traffic helps to increase the CPC and page views for your site or blog. SEO and very rich content are not non-negotiable. Without good SEO, you can't get organic traffic for your site. The traffic location is also an important factor to increase your earnings from AdSense. For example, traffic from big sites from USA, UK generate more revenue than Asian countries like India, Nepal, and African countries like Nigeria are also low. Reason being that advertisers are not willing to advertise on high CPC and publishers are out to game the system. 2. How to increase Google AdSense using your cost per click. Cost per click, CPC simply means cost per click. It's also very important to increase your AdSense revenue. For example, if your CPC is $1, it means you will earn $1 for every single hit on your ad. But if your CPC is $10, then you will earn $10 per click. That's why CPC is a very important factor on how to increase your AdSense revenue. Mind you, I've seen CPC of 600. Factors that affect CPC rate, they include geolocation, keyword CPC rate, number of page views, ads placement, ad types, ad formats, search engine traffic, and much more. How to increase your CPC. Simple steps to increase your CPC is by using high CPC keywords for your site. Find high CPC keywords, then write content on those keywords to help you to increase your CPC. How to increase Google AdSense earnings via the CTR, which is the click-through rate. Stands for click-through rate. It means the number of clicks per 1,000 page views. CTR is also an important factor to make more money with AdSense because AdSense pays for the clicks on ads. That is why the more the CTR rate, the more revenue generated. But your CTR should not be increased more than 10%. If your CTR becomes more than 10%, then you may be in trouble because Google can suspend your AdSense account. CTR is mainly dependent upon the ad placement and user experience for your site. You can say that good user experience on your site means good CTR rate. Other methods available to increase your Google AdSense earnings this is just an expression of what the CTR represents. It's just a calculation of your ad clicks over the ad impression times 100. The other methods available are the number of ads. You can use both image and text ads. Place ads in between the posts. Then you have a size location where you place your ads and the size of the ad. The viewability, how viewable is your ads to visitors on the site. Then you can also place AdSense for search. AdSense for search, users can search for other things on Google via your site and all that, and this helps in user navigation and makes your site more user friendly. And you can also experiment on different ways, changing color, format, and all that. From there you can get better and better and better, and your earnings can skyrocket. Then very important, you can blacklist low CPC URL. Blacklisting them will give you more opportunity to leave only the high paying CPC URLs to show ads on your site. Then finally, you can increase your earnings by monetizing videos on YouTube. This will help you to increase audience on your site and also increase your revenue. Thank you. I'm sure you have learned a lot on how to increase your revenue. Feel free to ask more questions. Anything we didn't cover, you can use the comment section to ask. I would always be glad to help out. Thank you.